The basis of learning any language is learning the alphabet. If you go over to Basic Phrases and Words, you will notice that we have a section that helps you to learn the alphabet. You can start by going to the principles of the alphabet. You will notice that each letter of the alphabet has the associated pronunciation in English. You will also notice that there's an audio recording to explain to you the three basic principles of the Cape Verdean alphabet. You will also notice that there is a recording to help you learn the three basic principles of the alphabet. If you would like to hear the pronunciation of each letter, just simply click on the letter. You can play the recording, and you're also able to follow along with the reading of the recording. Our Learner's Dictionary is an excellent tool for those who want to learn the language of the Cape Verde Islands. If you want to share with others, just simply click on the share button and send them a link.